Hey, we have a math Nearpod lesson today, and I think you'll like it. So click on that, go right into your Nearpod lesson. I've already brought it up. And as always, click on who you're going to be today. Make it be somebody I can recognize, like use your name. So you guys know I am Mrs. Johnson. I'm going to join the session. This is adding tens and ones. And we're going to do this together, kind of like we do when we're in the classroom. Okay, so watch this and go over it with me. We're going to do the first few of them all together, and then I'm going to let you do the other ones. First, there's a video here. I think you guys will like it. It's very helpful, so watch that. And then I've got all of these tools down here, and the only instructions I'm giving you on each one of them is use a proof drawing to solve the problem, which means, the lines and the circles. You guys know what a 10 stick is and what a circle is. So over here, and I'm going to do this, I think I like red. Okay, so I'm going to use red for my 10 sticks is what I'm going to do. Right here, this is 53, so I'm going to go 10. Oh, that's not red. Oh, it's okay. I'll start with blue. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But I think I want a different color for I'll do red for my circles. Okay? How many ones do I have? Here's my 5. I've got 5 lines because that's 50 for my 10s, but for my 1s, I'm going to have them be over here. And there are 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. There you go. Oh, now I'm going to switch back to my blue. Oh, and see, and this 5 goes right there. So, yeah. See? 5, this is 50, 53. See, that 5 says there are 5 10 sticks. This 3 says there's 3 circles. See how cool that is? Now we got 38. And I'm back to blue, so let's do the 30 first. So, 10, 20, 30. So here's my 30. It goes right here. See? My 30, which is a 3, starts with a 3. And there are 3 10 sticks. I'm going to go back over here and pick red. But how many ones does 38 have? See? It has 8 of them. So now I'm going to do 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is my proof drawing. This tells me how many things I have here. Okay? Now, I'm going to go to black, and I'm going to make it much smaller for this, just to show you. Okay, so it's easier to, first let's do the ones. Okay? Let's deal with the ones column first. But remember how when we were adding, it was easier to make 10 groups. So we're going to make a 10 group with all of our circles. I know that 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I want to go to 10, I say 8, 9, 10. I need 2 more circles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. Okay, I'm going to lasso me 2 more circles. That is my 10 group, which equals, all of those equal 1 blue 10 stick. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. See how I did that? I'm going to say that's 90. And how many ones are left over? There's only 1. Now, as far as this over here, I can also do it like this. I've got 10. Let me do this with my eraser. Make your eraser big. Okay, let's do this. Now that I have I know that I've got my 10 group plus 1. What is 10 plus 1? 10 plus 1 is 11. So, oh, I need to go over here and get another, and go black again. 10 plus 1 is 11. So, if I add my ones together, I have 11 ones. So, when I go over here, my 11 needs to move from here to there. But I'm going to separate it when I add like this. This is the 1 from my ones column, and this is the 1 from the tens column. It's still 11, but they've gone like that, 1 up, 1 down. So now I'm going to add this way. I'm going to say 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, no, what am I doing? Okay, so I've already added them up. Yeah, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm adding the 8 plus the 3. 1 goes here, 1 goes here. So that's what happens to my ones. Now let's add the tens column. 5, because that's my biggest number. 6, 7, 8, 9. Or you can start with the 1. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I added my 5. Now I'm going to add 3. So 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm just going to put it there. So it equals 91. Okay? I'm going to erase this, and we're going to move on to the next one. Hopefully this is starting to make some sense to you. I know it's a harder concept, but I know you're ready for it. I just know that you're ready for it, but it's going to take practice. This is something that you're going to be working on in 2nd grade a lot, and so that's why it's kind of important to get started on it so that you're going to be ready. Okay, go to the next one. All right, this is the question we have here. Now, I want a proof drawing. For our ones, you can choose anything you like. I like green too. So I'm going to make 6 circles. Well, first I'm going to do the 1 10 stick. 1 10 stick for my 1. For my, see, my tens. Here's my 1 10 stick. 1 10 stick and a 1 right there. Next, I'm going to go to, I'll go to yellow. Now I'm going to make 6 circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the same as 16. See, 1 10 stick, so I go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 16. See that? Okay. And, you know, this equals that. 6, 6. Okay, over here, this is, I don't have a 10 over here, so I'm going to start with my ones. My ones, I've got 6 of them, so I just have to do what I did here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See how that is? Now, yeah, see? 6. 6 circles, a number 6. 6 circles, a number 6. 1 10 stick, and a number 1. It makes sense. Okay, now the first thing we add are the ones column. Yeah, it's just best to add the ones column first. So I'm going to make a 10 group with this. So I'm going to say, I know I've got 6. I'm going to change my color so that I can see it better. I'll do orange. I am going to make 10 groups. I've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I need these. I need these to make a 10 group. So if I add this 10 group, I've got 10, 11, 12. So all of these ones equal 12. Well, how do I split that 12 up when I go and put it over here? The 1's going to go somewhere different than the 2. They're going to go like this. See? Or like that. Like that. See? Oh, there. So my 1, I'm going to put up here, and my 2, I'm going to put down there. They're still friends. They're just in different places. All right. Now, I already know what my 1's equal because I added 6 plus 6, and it was 12. The 2 goes here and the 1 goes there. And I'm going to add my 10s column. So I've got 1, but then I've got this extra 1 up here. Don't forget him. So 1, 2. And my answer is what? 22. See how that goes? It makes a lot of sense. And it's, you know, something though that needs to be practiced in order for you guys to get it. All right, let's go to the next one. I'll erase this later. We'll do the third one together. This one is a little bit harder. Okay, so we're going to start with blue. 67. So I'm going to make my proof drawing, and that's all it says is to solve the problems with proof drawings. There are 10 problems to solve. This is going to take you a little bit of time, but it's important practice. So 6 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 sticks. Make this one a little bit longer. All right, see, this is the same as that. This is a number 6, and there are 6 10 sticks. See how that works? Now I'm going to change to red. Red and blue tend to go together real well, like your school colors. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to make, well, let's see, in the 1s, 7. I'm going to draw 7 of them. And look, I can just do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I got 7, see? And look, 7 of those. And this represents, the 10 sticks in the circles represents the number 67. So I'm going to go back to blue and draw a 15. What does a 15 look like? The 15, how many 10s do I have? I have 1 10. So I need 1 10 stick. Don't need any more, see? 1. See how that works? 1 and 1 10 stick. Now I'm going to go back over to my red, and I'm going to do the 1s for this. How many 1s do I need? How many circles? Right here it has a 5, so I'm going to draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see how that is? What I'm adding right here is I'm adding 67, and these sticks and circles represent 67. And I'm adding 15 to that, and this stick and circles represent 15. Now let's look at this proof drawing to figure it out. Remember how we worked at making 10 groups. Sometimes it's easier, oh, and let me change my color, I'll go to black. Sometimes it is easier to make a 10 group so that I can, let's add these up. So I've got 8 or 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how many more do I need to make 10? Let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need 3 more to make 10. I need 3 of these. So here's my 7 right here. I need 3 more to make 10. Okay, so this is worth 10. So that's 10, and how many are left over? So 10, 11, 12. All right, so if I have 12, and I'm going to erase this. If I have 12, here's my 12. Oh, let me turn that back on. If I have 12, right here, 12 ones added together, how do I put them over here? Remember, go like that. 1 goes up, 1 goes down. So 12. Here's my 110 right there, and here's my 1. There's my 12. See my 12? It's right here and right here. It's just parts of it are in different places. So I've already added my 1s, and when I added them, it came to 12. I just wrote it down different. So now I need to add all of my 10s right here. So I'm going to take my biggest number